Hey there shoppers, it's Amy and I'm here with Beatbot's all-new Sora 70. This is an incredible robot pool cleaner that is going to blow your mind. So I know that we've introduced a lot of robot pool cleaners on this channel. The big difference in this one is that it really truly does it all. Not just floors, not just walls, not just waterline, but it also skims the surface for superior clean throughout your entire pool. It's getting every single part and it's a really joy to use. Think about this, it's got big everything. Big suction power, so it can get even big clumps of leaves and larger pieces of debris. It's got a big battery, so it has a larger, longer runtime. And on top of that, it has a huge filter tank, so that's less cleaning for you. Throughout this video, I'm going to show you some of its features. I'm going to show you all the different ways it works. We are going to take it out. We're going to show you the debris basket at the end for some really satisfying cleaning. And I'm also going to show you how the app functions. So let's go ahead and pop this in and get to work. So let's start with the biggest highlight overall, and that is that this thing truly cleans your pool from depth all the way up to surface. It doesn't just stay on the bottom, it climbs the walls, it scrubs the waterline, and it even handles shallow areas and steps. It can actually clean areas as shallow as about 8 inches, and that's something that a lot of other robots seriously struggle with. So, whether it's deep in debris, steps and platforms, or that annoying waterline buildup, you've got it all covered in one cycle. Now, this is the feature that really stands out. The Sora 70 has something called Jet Pulse TM surface cleaning. Basically, it uses these dual jets on each side to pull debris towards the robot instead of pushing it away. So instead of leaves just floating around while your cleaner ignores them, it actively captures them on the surface. No skimmer needed. And honestly, that is huge because surface debris is usually the part that you still have to handle manually, but not anymore. In terms of power, this thing is no joke. It has up to 6,800 gallons of per hour of suction, which gives it the ability to pick up fine dirt, sand, of course, plus larger, heavier debris. And it can do that all in one pass. It also uses roller brushes and optimized cleaning paths. So it's not just randomly moving around, it's actually designed to cover the pool efficiently without missing spots while also avoiding obstacles. Battery life, super solid. You are getting up to 5 hours of floor cleaning and up to 7 hours of surface cleaning. And here's the kicker, it can cover pools up to about 3,200 square feet on a single charge. That is way more than enough to handle most residential sized pools. It also has a pretty large 6-liter debris basket here, so you're not constantly emptying it mid-clean. And there's even an ultra fine filter that can capture really small particles, so that way your water looks noticeably clear. Think less cloudiness, less algae, etc. Now, this is one of those little quality of life, thoughtful features that actually makes a big difference. When the robot is done cleaning, or when the battery gets low, it's going to automatically float to the surface and park itself at the edge of your pool. So, instead of pulling up a super heavy robot all the way out of the deep end, it's going to automatically come to you on the surface. And it even drains water automatically, so that way it's lighter when you pick it up. I do want to point out when it comes to app control, the device can only be controlled or recalled when it's on the water surface. That is when it connects to Wi-Fi. You cannot get signal when it's underwater. And of course, you can control everything through the Beatbot app. This includes selecting cleaning modes, monitoring your progress, and even calling the robot back to the edge, all with one tap. There are multiple cleaning modes depending on how deep of a clean you want, so your cleaning is always very flexible. One of my favorite things to do at the end is to go through this filter basket and see what you pulled out. It's very satisfying seeing just how clean the Beatbot is getting your pool. In here, we are seeing all sorts of leaves, debris, looks like some string or hair or something, and a ton of sand. The sand is always what gets me, because sometimes you can look at your pool and you think it's clean, and then you see this wastebasket. Super gross. So glad it's not in my pool anymore. Thank you to the Sora 70. And again, it is so easy to clean out. All you have to do is just rinse it. So folks, we are so happy with the Beatbot. I want to point out that it is very lightweight. It is easy to pull out of your pool. It has a built-in handle, and everything about this is super, super easy to use and consumer friendly. Beatbot is one of my all-time favorite brands. They make the best robot pool cleaners on the market, hands down. We love their customer service. We love their quality of all of their products. We love their innovation. And they also put on a really impressive booth at CES. I love this new Sora 70. It's so amazing how it cleans the entire surface of the pool. I've been looking for that, and especially that this is the entire package. It's not just surface cleaning, it's not just a skimmer, and it's not just your floors or your wall or even the water quality that it's filtering. It does it all. This is your true all-in-one machine. So as you guys can see, the Beatbot Sora 70 is truly a comprehensive cleaning system. That means that you can fire your old pool service. And I don't know about you guys, but I pay about $100 per visit, and they come 4 or 5 times a month. In comparison, this machine is just over $1,000 with the latest discount codes that I'm going to drop for you in the description below. That means that this pays for itself in only a few months. Definitely, this is the long-term value option. And I think you guys are going to love it. Don't spend another dime of your money on a pool cleaner. Do not waste another hour of your precious summer. Get one of these and let it do all of the work for you. I'm going to put all of the information and the links in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out and get to shopping. Adios, amigos.